Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. This morning I had all plans and everything figured out what I will film for you today. So I left the house, I hopped in the SCION, right? Start it up as usually, and all my planes changed. This little bugger check engine light was lit suddenly and didn't want to go away. So I said goodbye to the plants, came to the shop, and we will need to deal with that, right? So let's take her in and see what's going on. And it actually really surprised me because not such a long time ago I was transferring this vehicle, right, a title on my name, and I had to smog it. It was perfectly running. There were zero codes, absolutely nothing. So where is our OBD2? Am I looking correctly that it's right here? I think so. Let's just see. Boom. So it's nicely hooked, right? Now I need to put the ignition on and we will see what will happen. I'm really curious, as I said. I have no idea why it could be having so. Also the sun, it's running perfectly. There's no problems with drivability. It was zippy as usually, driven really nicely. So I really have no idea and I just wanted to share it with you. So what's going on? One moment. Oh, look at that, it's a evap. So this is 0455 evap, gross sleek, no flow. Is it possible when I was filming for you that video about how many miles per gallon this vehicle drives, right, which is only what, 2 days ago? Is it possible I didn't close the tank correctly? Possible, huh? So let's go and look on the other ones. The other one, evap, incorrect purge flow. Another code, emission system incorrect purge flow. And the fourth, again, evap, gross leak, no flow. Alright, you know what it means, right? I will always recommend to anybody start with the gas cap, right? How many times at Toyota in past we saw customers coming, right, for check engine light. They paid a 1 hour diagnosis, and when the scanner, right, was showing these codes or similar, but in this area, the first thing the tech went was looking at that gas cap. So let's go and look at it together. As you saw in that video, the opener, it's right here. So let's go check it. These were my scenarios in my head, right? Because recently I played with that exhaust for you, with so-called muffler delete, and that was the latest video. We were measuring. Oh yeah, did you see that? We were together measuring and checking the fuel efficiency of this 2005 SCION, and did you just see that? I barely touched it and it went away, right? So even if we look here, tighten cap until clicks, or malfunction indicator lamp may come on. Well, that's exactly what they mean. They mean the check engine light. So apparently while filming, right, being at the gas station, I just put it too lightly there because the problem wasn't there before, it wasn't happening. And let me see right now to do it correctly. I always do it many times, right, that the ratcheting system makes sure that there is a specific torque applied. So let's see if it's also loose like it was, because that will mean the ratcheting system is broken. Actually, maybe it's not my problem. I forgot something, but that ratcheting system, it's not pushing on it enough and it's not closing it enough. Let's try again. Okay, and now how much torque I will need to remove it? Nothing. Basically absolutely nothing. When I grab it, it immediately comes off. So I think now, yeah, now it closed more. So I will check this. Rubber gasket needs to be good also, right? But I think this ratcheting system is failing and I will just need to replace this gasket. Let's try one more time. And now I will try to remove it. How much power I need? Nothing. It was basically just sitting there. So here you got it. This whole thing is malfunctioning. It's not working correctly. Only once from all these tries I felt like I needed to use some power to really remove it. Let's try many times. What now? Nothing. It just sits there. Yep. This is broken, definitely, and I have to replace it. So this morning I had different plans to film something else for you. This is what happened, but I'm happy it's something very simple. I will go ahead, erase all those codes from the memory of the computer, right? And I will order new gasket. I really quickly looked before finishing this video on the eBay where I shop a lot, and I saw these gaskets, even OEM, original Toyota, for sale for like $12–13. So that's very cheap, right? That probably doesn't make sense for me to try to take this one apart and try modify it or something. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will put all these codes for the EVAP underneath in the description, and please make sure you are subscribed because I will have way more coming your way soon. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, my friend.